think the Matrix is a perfect example of what's happening in the world today. And anybody who stands up and speaks loudly up against the Matrix, if you do it...
This video is about a deeper topic. This video is about the Matrix that we often hear Andrew Tate talk about. We've often seen Andrew Tate use phrases like "get out of the Matrix," "the Matrix is coming after me," etc. Basically, Andrew Tate's message is that it's important for us to know that we are a part of a matrix, and it's even more important for us to get out of this matrix. In fact, Elon Musk has said similar things about getting out of a matrix. So the question for us is, what exactly is a matrix? Because frankly, most people don't have the right information about this topic, and even on the internet, people often talk about this topic in pieces. So in today's video, we are going to find out, what is this matrix? Andrew Tate and Elon Musk talk about the year was 1999, when a science fiction film was released. The Matrix, this film proved to be a turning point for Hollywood because it influenced many ideas, movies, and pop culture. This movie proves to be a huge hit, and it was made around a very interesting and unique concept. The concept was that the whole world is inside a simulated computer program, and we are all a part of a simulation. The plot of the movie was that the whole world is a part of a complex and huge computer program which has been designed like a physical world so that humans can be fooled into thinking that they are living in reality, while in reality they are plugged into a simulation program through wires. By doing this, the whole world can be controlled and people can be made to believe whatever they want. This film explores ideas like independent thinking, critical thinking, and free will. In this film, the protagonist, Neo, has the responsibility to get out of this matrix, that is this computer program, and enter the real world. This was the meaning of the word matrix in the context of a Matrix film. But now the question is, when Andrew Tate and Elon Musk talk about the Matrix, do they also want to say that the whole world is a computer program? The answer is no. When Andrew Tate uses the word matrix, he doesn't literally say that this world is a computer program. Instead, he uses this word as a metaphor in the context of this metaphor. Matrix means that today our entire world is in the hands of a few corporations and wealthy people. And whatever we do, it is being controlled at a certain level. And the control of these corporations is increasing day by day on normal people. Because of this control, censorship is on the rise. And an important aspect like freedom of speech is being taken away from society. You must be thinking, how can a corporation control normal people? And how can it influence the freedom of speech for this? Let's take the example of Meta, a corporation that controls Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Today's youth uses Instagram and spends 2 to 3 hours a day watching Reels. The type of content shown in these Reels will influence the viewer's ideology, thoughts, and actions. Now, this corporation Meta, which is supremely controlled by only a few top executives, they can control what kind of content, what kind of people should be shown and influenced, so that in the future, these corporations have more profits. And when these companies are controlled by just one executive, then in a way a very large chunk of the population is being controlled by one. And Andrew Tate's message is exactly that a regular person has to get out of these corporations and look at the world, because these corporations won't back down from affecting the psyche and health of normal people for their maximum profit, and slowly everyone will become so used to these corporations that they will completely give up on critical thinking. Because think about it. When a person is being fed so much content, his dopamine is being fed so much, then it is obvious that that person will have less ability to think independently. There is no doubt. And at the last, before finishing our video, Andrew says that if you want to escape the control of this matrix, then you will have to stop consuming all the things that are being fed to you unconsciously. You will have to keep yourself fit, and work towards increasing your control and finances. Only then will you be able to escape this metaphorical matrix. What are your thoughts on topics like matrix realities? Do let us know in the comments.